This is the brand new custom. Just finished tonight. This is an Ives 3250 pre-war shell on a custom built brass frame. I took some little Lionel 3-rung brass stairs, everything soldered together. It's got journal covers. On the ends, we took little brass steps. The cow catchers are from a Lionel 259. They've been riveted to the brass end rails. Original Lionel 156 trucks, pantograph, custom built some little rails, put one of the Lionel pre-war latch couplers on, sprayed the whole thing a beautiful green, brand new custom rubber stampings, so the 3250 even up on the light like it was originally. Comparing it to, this is an original Ives. It had a cast iron shell. Handrails were a little bit different, or cast iron base frame, but the same stamped steel top. This is a 3254, so it had like custom brass stuff in it, but all done. Meant to kind of mimic a Lionel 156. It's kind of this cool little idea I had. So, took about a month to build the frame and get all the geometry and soldering right. Painted it, did the stamping about a week later. But we'll go ahead and send it. I did not put a direction change on it. There's no manual switch. There's no E unit. The early Lionels only went one direction, so same thing with the Ives, unless you got one of the cool rotary reverse switches. So this is and I put a motor from a Lionel 249 in it. But I used solid red disc wheels. I had to buy different gears to put on the back of the wheels. But really pretty little train, so I'll run it a couple times around with my brand new floodlight car I got this weekend at a train show. So my newest custom locomotive.